Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to set a reminder on Android phone. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right, and you just make sure you're logged in and using the latest version, and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, you can use Google Calendar. You can use Google Calendar app to set a reminder on your Android phone. Open the Google Calendar app. Tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner and select the reminder. And here you can see reminder. Enter the task detail in the text box and specify the date and the time for the reminder, and you can also set the reminder to repeat it necessary. So guys, here you have to select the event you want to select. For example, party. I can select party. Now just tap for the reminder, and after 5 minutes, after 4 days, after 2 days, 1 week before, or whatever you want to select. So I'm going to select after 1 week, so it will remind me after 1 week for the party event. So you can see the settings is saved. So this is how you can add your reminder in your Android phone. And